Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make kimchi. So let's start. First we are going to cut this cabbage into half.
Next we will rinse it and drain the extra water.
Now we will sprinkle the salt over each leaf of cabbage. Then we will let it rest for next 1 hour. While the cabbage is resting, we will cut the spring onion, radish, chives and garlic. Next we will mince garlic, ginger, onion and make it a paste. After an hour, we will rinse the In the meantime, we had made a rice flour porridge. Now we will mix the paste we made earlier and add Korean chili flakes and fermented shrimp. Now let's add the radish, green onion and chives that we had cut before. Mix it thoroughly, and once the paste is ready, we will apply it to cabbage leaf properly. Once the paste is applied, we will store it inside the ceramic jar or any glass bottle. Now your kimchi will start to ferment and will be ready to eat in next 7 to 2 hours. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and I will see you on my next video.